Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can back up your boards and presentations in Miro.com. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your board. You can do this, for example, through the home section of your Miro account. And there are two ways how you can back up your boards. So if you're in the boards overview, guys, inside your Miro team, all you need to do is simply hover your mouse over the given board. Click into these three dots here to the right and select download board and backup. Another option would be to simply here from the customization or editing tool of Miro, simply click into these three dots here next to your board name in the top left, hover your mouse over board, select export here, and after that choose download board backup. As you can see, that feature is not available for all users, guys. So technically that's how it works in practice. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.